Hello. Welcome to this month's trade review. Just like we promised, every month we will be doing a summary of all the trades taken in the corporate trading account for the public to see what is going around. So today, while recording the video, this is 26, so we decided to round up January trading on corporate, but on personal accounts, our traders will be doing their stuff. One of the reasons, number one, is that we have OPEC meeting. We have G20 meeting that is holding in South Africa. One held today, so it created some uncertainty in the market. The second one is coming on the 27th, so which is Thursday. Almost then Friday is just a day out, so we are done trading this account for the week so that investors can go share profit and all the rest. Next month you get them. So let's show you. And also there is an update from Okta. I don't know why it keeps popping up that this on 27 their web whatever will be out of the way. So we decided to record this in case subsequent monthly trade review might be coming from their app platform. So let's go. Let's look at what we did in February, like we did. If you have not watched the January one, or the ones we drop weekly, you can watch it, which usually goes in line with our weekly analysis. So this is the fund. This is the number of days the fund has paid. So we are not kids in this business. So let us go to where it all started. The beginning of February. So it's loading up. Remember to subscribe to the channel, turn off notification, and watch any other content we have here on YouTube, both educational content, then so that you can get a hang of what is happening in the market and watch our weekly Forex market analysis. Even though you are not copying our trade, that analysis will help you understand what is happening in the market. Fundamental, we can know and trade in line with the fundamental with your preferred entry strategy. So it is loading up. So we are opening here up. Hold on a sec, it is loading. Also, for those who like the stock market too, you can easily watch our stock market update and now some educational content around stock and the currency market. So I think this was the last one. This is that first of. So the trading we started on 3rd. I guess this thought should be Monday. So this was the first trade which was taken on this account. If I can remember at a time, it was midnight Asian section. So it was the first trade which turned out to be profit. Then on the 4th, which I think is Tuesday at a time, these two trades was taken. This is when the tariff started playing out in the market. So tariff started playing out in the market. So this is it then. Secondly, we had another trade. This is when Donald Trump imposed that tariff on Canada and Mexico at a time. So, well, it didn't affect EU then because he has now started his reciprocal tariff. So, we now found another entry also on EU. Then, on the 5th, we had another buy trade, which turned out to be okay. Then we had on the widgets should be this. Okay, this is now on the 7th. Okay, a lot of stuff happened here. Handling data and all those things in validation, a lot of setup. So this was how the 7th turned out, which should be on a Friday. Then the upper week 11th, which should be around Tuesday or whatever. These are the trades taken. So what I want you to do is to take note of the dates. So you see that there must be a day in a week where there is no trading opportunity, and there will be a day where two trading opportunity might come out, and the team takes advantage of it. And you see that all the currencies being traded is the 8 major currencies. So this is some of the things. Then you can do the math and know the total dollar value of the difference we made in profit. So that's the whole essence. On the 11th, then I think there was no trade on 12th, which should be on Thursday. So on Friday we had another opportunity. We were swinging this before data came out and we closed out. That's 2 weeks ago. Then what we normally do at the end of every week, we withdraw. The essence of withdrawing is to keep this fund low so that you can copy with your little money you have, 250 bucks. That's why we don't see us loading it up with thousands of dollars. We want it to be accommodative. That's why at the end we withdraw and keep a balance. We try to keep a balance so that we can copy. Now, the next week should be 17th. So instead of that 17th, I can remember that was the president's Washington holiday. So the market didn't really move much. We are not even supposed to take a trade on this, but it is what it is. So started off a little bit low. Then on 18th, which should be Tuesday, I said yes, this is a two opportunity now presented itself, which we took advantage of. Then on Wednesday, which is 19th, yes, this one is still very fresh. We also had another opportunity also to sell this card, JPY. So we closed the week, no trade on Thursday, no trade on Friday on this account. But the team took trade on a different account on Friday. Then this one now is actually today now, which is the first trade of the last day of last week of February. So the first trade was taken on this AUD card. So when the trade was running, then we are now realized that there is a G20 summit happening in South Africa, and sometimes this event invalidates. You might be directionally correct using your fundamental, but this event can invalidate your setup. That's what it is. So it actually invalidated it. So we left it before we now found another opportunity after the meeting. After the meeting, we now had the opportunity to sell Euro JPY to make up for this. So we are net positive for the week too. Just that this shortened the size of the profit, but it is what it is. So what I want you to do is do the math from here, sort out the rest and sort out the listening. You see that we close the week, the month on a profit. So if you want to see the trend, you can actually use 1 month here. So if I toggle on 1 month to get a sense of what it is, like in dollar terms, you see something of this nature. Let me go here. Okay, this is the month. So the month, you can see somehow in dollar terms, this is the difference between this and this. This is a sense of it, but I think it might be bigger. Then percentage wise, this is 73.37%. Why it is 73 here is because of remember the front we are copying for, we keep it low so that even if you bring your $250, $500, we will now show you the risk parameter. Example, the difference between here and here, if you look at it on hindsight, this should be 26 bucks on this lowest account. So if the firm can return $26 on this lowest account, if you are not copying with $250, there is what you call copy proportion. It will be 6 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5, depending on your risk appetite. So whatever that is made times the number of the proportion, your exposure with the team will help you to save. So this is it. We are done trading this account for February till March, but other trading will keep going on. So this is why we made the video, and hope you have learned. Comment down below if you have done the math and do the difference. If you get the difference, comment it down below. The team will reward you. If you do that, we will reward you. So this is the fund. Also, a quick reminder, remember that the fund has been around since 589 days, a year plus, heading close to 2 years. Then, this is the risk. This is the description of the fund. We pride on capital preservation using our risk management concept. Then our trading idea is strictly from a fundamental base, while we use technical analysis for entry. So it is just what it is. You can just get a hang of what we do by watching our weekly Forex market analysis. So if you want to copy the trade, it's very easy. Use the link down below, sign up with Okta. When you sign up with Okta, you fund your account. We recommend minimum of $250. When you recommend, you can watch the video on also about the fund, so that you understand the return, percentage return over time, the risk parameter, worst case scenario, which hasn't happened. Then once you fund that your account, you come here and click start copying, then follow the steps. If you are getting confused, join the Telegram group, hit the admin, the team will guide you. Then you set it up and plug and play, week in, week out. This is what you call transparency, not just any other thing you see out there. So wishing to do business with you. Peace out.